Learning with Millennium Mams isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's a chance to empower yourself on a whole new level. Meet our confident and driven learners. Just like you, this is a community of women who truly share, understand, and are dedicated to growing wealth together. Our world-class programs are designed to simplify wealth management and inspire you to achieve growth using Warren Buffett's principles. You will look at money differently with our guidance to tackle investments. With sessions like Invest in Yourself and Buffett Mantras, you will gain the tools to take control of your financial future with confidence. So why should you choose us?
I attended Buffett Mantras with Dhanuka sir last year and it was actually an eye-opener. I unlearned a lot of preconceived thought processes and relearned new ones.
Under the mentorship of Dhanuka sir and through consistently reading the Economic Times, learning about various sectors and making informed investments, this journey has become an integral part of my personal and professional growth.
With Sir's immense dedication towards us and his sage advice, when opportunity meets preparedness, it makes miracles.
Hi, I'm Nidhi Kanoi, and at Millennium Mams, we're all about learning and growing together.